Humata AI is at the forefront of document management technology, offering robust solutions for turning various document formats into interactive assets. Key features: 1. Effortless document interaction. Seamless interaction with formats including PDFs, Word docs, and PowerPoint files. 2. Time-saving auto-summary, quick summarization of documents to grasp content efficiently. 3. Chat history, comprehensive history tracking for each document. 4. Document grouping, intuitive organization, and categorization of records. 5. OCR technology integration, robust handling of image-based documents, enhancing accessibility. 6. Multilingual support, over 80 languages supported, broadening global usability. Who is using Humata AI? 1. HR professionals, ideal for screening resumes. Web educators, assists in creating teaching materials. 3. Marketers, generates concise content from lengthy documents. 4. Researchers, effectively summarizes complex papers. 5. Legal professionals, translates legal terms into simple language. 6. Technical teams, clarifies technical documents. 7. Sales analysts, analyzes data to identify market trends.